When you work with rounded or bullnose exterior corners, standard mitered baseboards will not seat properly, so you need techniques that follow the curve. Start by assessing the radius of the bullnose and the profile of the baseboard. For shallow curves under 1 inch, you can often bend flexible baseboard materials by making a series of shallow relief cuts on the back spaced about 1/4 inch apart and then clamping and fastening as you go. Use a narrow saw blade and sand the back smooth before priming so paint seals the cuts. For pronounced curves, use preformed flexible baseboard or flexible corner blocks that match the profile, which install like a block but conform to the curve. Measure the arc length and cut the flexible piece slightly long, then trim to fit with a sharp utility knife. Scribing is another durable option, where you hold the baseboard against the wall, trace the curve with a compass or awl, and cut the mating edge with a coping saw to match the contour. Work slowly and test fit frequently. When fastening, use adhesive in addition to finish nails for continuous contact, and space nails near stud locations only. Use a pneumatic brad nailer with pressure set low to avoid crushing the profile. Finish gaps with a high-quality paintable caulk and feather the caulk into the curve with a damp finger, then prime and paint in long, even strokes to avoid lap marks on the rounded surface. Common mistakes are forcing a rigid baseboard into a curve, which causes visible gaps and splitting, so either use relief cuts or switch to flexible material instead. Another issue is relying solely on nails, which can leave sections floating off the wall, so use adhesive plus fasteners to maintain continuous contact. A third problem is over-trimming during scribing, which creates uneven joints. Take multiple light passes with the coping saw and dry fit repeatedly to avoid removing too much material. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors suited to curved trim and baseboard work, and also helps contractors find new jobs in their area. We host a discussion community so our users can ask questions, share photos of tricky bullnose corners, and get practical tips from others who have completed similar projects.